In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off auto submit in Expensify. Auto submit is a feature that can automatically submit your expense reports on a regular schedule. That can be convenient, but sometimes you want more control, especially if you need to review expenses carefully before they go to your manager or accounting team. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go in Expensify to change that setting for a specific workspace. First, make sure you're logged into your Expensify account on a desktop browser or the web app, since these settings are easiest to manage there. Once you're on the main Expensify screen, look toward the left-hand side or the main navigation and click on Workspace. This is where all of your different workspaces or policies are listed. A workspace is basically a container for a group's expense rules, like a company, a department, or a project. After you've opened the Workspace section, you'll see a list of available workspaces that you have access to. Find the workspace where you want to turn off Auto Submit. This might be your company workspace or a specific team workspace. Click on the workspace you've chosen to open its detailed settings and overview page. If you manage multiple workspaces, be sure to double check that you've selected the correct one, because the changes you make will only apply to that particular workspace. Inside the chosen workspace, look for a tab or menu labeled Workflows. Go ahead and click on Workflows. This area controls how expenses and reports move through the system, including how they're created, submitted, and approved. Think of it as the automation control center for your expenses. Within the Workflows section, you'll see various options related to how reports behave. Here, locate the setting labeled Frequency. Click on Frequency to open the options related to how often reports are automatically submitted. This is where the auto submit behavior is configured. Depending on your version or setup, you'll see choices such as automatic submission on a specific schedule, or options to turn that off. To disable auto submit, choose the setting that stops reports from being submitted automatically, so they remain as open or unsubmitted until you review and submit them manually. Once you've adjusted the frequency setting to your preference, your change is applied to that workspace's reports going forward. And that's it. You've now navigated to your workspace, open the workflows, and use the frequency setting to turn off auto submit in Expensify.